Hi guys, today I will show you the yacht that truly looks like much more expensive than its actual cost. As we dive into this video, please put your price prediction into the comments below. In the end of this video, I will tell you the price and I'm sure you will be surprised. My name is Hannah, this is InterYachts channel. Follow me. Welcome on board 52 feet Azimut yacht. The cockpit is located at the stern, and here we can see ice generator, portable shower, swimming platform, electrical ladder, and a very nice sofa. This staircase takes us to the Flybridge, but let's start our tour from the inside. Let's make the tour from inside. I opened this door and found myself in a very spacious area. You can see a large white sofa and a table folding which could easily lower. I really love the combination of white leather and the wood. It looks really super stylish and luxury here. You could see the galley, quite compact, but it has everything necessary things. A cooktop, a sink, a fridge, and the lockers. This is the main helm post with enormous panoramic windows and great visibility for the captain, equipped with all necessary navigation equipment. For example, boat thruster control, echo sounder, radio, and all vessels control. Here we have two symmetrical double cabins, very comfortable. The beds are with ambient light. Here we have the bathroom with a shower and also two exits from both sides. We are inside of the master cabin with great big bed with its own bathroom with bidet and spacious shower. And also there are a lot of lockers. Under the cockpit is located engine room. Here we can see two Caterpillar engines, each one of 650 horsepower. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. I believe the total power with 1,300 is more than enough for such size of yacht. Okay, we are in the Flybridge. Looks super stylish, well designed, with a large white sofa for relaxing with a large company on a hot day, with a sink, a fridge, the spot for taking some bath, everything you need for taking a good time. I could imagine a great party here with cocktails, loud music, dancing. Am I the only one getting these vibes? Definitely it would be a luxury party here. Look at this helm. It looks like a steering wheel from a supercar. But why I'm surprised? This is Azimut. The helm post offers a great visibility from here. Everything you need: radar, boat thruster control, echo sounder, and the engine control panel. I am on the starboard side and there is enough space here, a lot of handrails, so I would say it looks safe. We can see anchor and anchor winches. And this is the spot that I would definitely want to take some bath. It really looks pretty good. Okay guys, and as I promised at the beginning of this video, the price of this yacht is 220,000 euros. So if you are interested in this yacht, or you are looking for another one, or you would like us to review your yacht, please contact InterYachts. Our contacts are in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.
give me love.